Hey everybody, wanted to get a video out to you guys. I got a lot of requests to do a demonstration for the ring cutter on the Leatherman Raptor tool. So I wanted to show you guys a demonstration on how to use the ring cutter. So let's go ahead and get into that. So this is the costume ring, first of all, that we're going to go ahead and cut. My wife loaned this one to me. Funny, I'm not actually going to get it back. And this one's the silver ring that we're going to go ahead and try. So first we'll cut the costume ring. As you can see, really easy to cut. Very, very soft. I'll show you again here. I'll make a few more cuts on this thing. Show you just how easy it is. Really not much pressure being applied. It just cuts it like butter. So now the silver ring, as you can see, it's a lot thicker. Apply quite a bit more force, but it works really well. Nice clean cut, able to easily pry that away from the finger. See, I didn't really have to mess around with it very much. I'll show you again. Again, firmer pressure, but it does do it just fine. So, if it looked pretty easy, it was. I've got, as you can see here, tons of little pieces. I kind of got a little carried away after that little demonstration. I just cut them all up. I don't know if you could see that in the first part of that, but as you can see here, this is stamped with 925, so you know it's legitimate silver. Couple different people commented on some of the videos and asked about whether the Leatherman tool would be able to cut metal like tungsten. I contacted Leatherman early on and asked them about the capability of this tool, whether it would cut things like tungsten or things like that. They said they couldn't guarantee that the Raptor would be able to do that. Now, obviously, I don't have a tungsten ring to cut. My wedding ring is tungsten. Obviously, I'm not going to cut on that. They said they could guarantee soft metals like gold and silver. So as you saw, it looked really easy. When I actually did it, the first cut that I made, I don't know if you noticed that, but my hand didn't really move very much. When I went to cut the ring on my finger, when it made the cut, I couldn't see it, but I didn't feel like it actually made the cut because it was pretty easy. But it was. Obviously, you saw that. I was able to spread it open and pull my finger out. I did notice that with the cheapy ring, it's so soft. I mean, I've got my hands in the shears as if I was cutting clothes. I mean, you can see here, it's so soft that, I mean, I can keep my hands in there. The silver, on the other hand, what is a little tougher. I mean, you can still do it, but as you see, it was tougher, and it didn't quite make the full cut. I had to kind of twist that off a little bit. So if you try it, when you do try to cut it, if you put your hands on the outside, it gives you way more leverage, and it'll make that cut just fine. So. Fantastic tool. As you know, I rave about this thing. I'm sure most of you that have purchased one, have been playing around with it, you know what I'm talking about. This tool is superior to anything else I've ever used. It's funny because I continue to use it on scenes, and I have firefighters and other EMS professionals that will ask me, or will say something like, "Oh my gosh, what is that? That's awesome. Well, you got a transforming set of trauma shears." So it is an impressive tool. It continues to impress me. I would like to eventually put up a video demonstrating the glass breaker to show you how well that works. So other than that, stay tuned for some more videos from the 911 medic. I'd like to also post a video showing you the penny test, showing you the capability of the shears to cut a penny. You'll be impressed with the capability of the shears. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned for some more videos. And if you haven't seen my other reviews on the Leatherman Raptor, I encourage you to do so. Please leave a comment down for me below if you have any questions or feedback for me. And if you'd like to know the cheapest spots to purchase the Leatherman Raptor, I'll go ahead and put a link down below. Thanks again for watching.